Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys we'll show you how to remove and replace the rear turn signal light bulb on Hyundai Elantra. This one guys should cover the generation from 2011 all the way until 2016. So this is it guys right here. It's a 2013 Elantra that we're demonstrating on, and let me show you now. Okay, the turn signal light bulb, okay, will be the bottom one right here. Okay, so if yours is not working, okay, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the turn signal light bulb. Okay, this is the right one now. Ours doesn't work, so stay with us to see how we're going to fix it. Okay guys, we're going to open the trunk now. Okay, right there. And actually what we're going to do, I'll remove that thing out of the place so we can have more room. Okay, you can see left, right side are identical. We'll just pick one now. Okay, so this cover right here, there is okay, one notch that you need to push in. Okay, you can see this piece like that, and then you can open it, okay, like that. Next we'll need to remove the tail light. We'll need a 10mm socket, okay, or you can even use a wrench, regular wrench as well, and remove 3 nuts. Careful not to drop them guys inside the trunk, okay, because otherwise you have to remove that carpet out of the way so you can get to the nut. Okay, that's what the nuts look like. 3 identical nuts. Okay, and there is something that you should know how to do now, because otherwise you might break the tail lamp. So stay with us. We'll need to disconnect the wires, okay, push in on the center piece and pull out. Okay, that piece, okay, you push in and you pull the wires apart. Next, let me explain you quick. Right here there is a hidden clip that's holding, so you need to pull towards the back. Okay, that's the clip I'm talking about. It goes right here in the tail light. Then you can pull the seal. When you install it, you have to install the metal piece to go between the 2 rubber ones you can see in the groove. Okay guys, so the turn signal light bulb is in this piece right here, the white one. And now when you go on the back side of the tail light, it's the bottom one towards the inside. So you need to grab it and twist counterclockwise about 30 degrees, and then you can pull it out guys. Now, in order to remove the bulb, you have to push down and turn counterclockwise. Okay, and this is the bulb that's burned. Okay, I'll grab the new bulb quick. I'll share more information about all the bulbs on our website guys, and you can check out more information about the bulbs in the description of the video. Okay, get the new one, push it in and turn counterclockwise. Now they go only one way. You can see like that. You need to find which way it goes and you lock it clockwise again. And that's how you remove the turn signal light bulb guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, don't forget to give us a like, and see you guys next time.